do I have a claim if I didn't initially feel hurt at the scene? That's a very good question, because it's simply a matter of adrenaline, right? After a crash, you're pumped full of adrenaline. So a lot of the things that you might be feeling are lessened, are reduced because of the adrenaline rush. So what I always tell clients is be ready. The next day or the day thereafter, you're going to be in a lot of pain because your body has relaxed with the science of adrenaline that we know about. That's going away, it's gone, and then your body really feels the turmoil you were put through because of the crash. So it's not unusual. You're not someone who's making things up because you didn't feel a lot of problems, a lot of pain at the time of the crash. It's very common that you're not going to feel any pain until that night, or else the next morning, or else even 2 days from then. What I would recommend you do is, if you have any bumps or bruises, take pictures of all those, because that'll give you an understanding of what you're going through and what's probably going to hurt later on. If you have a bump on your knee, you have a bruise on your knee, take a picture of it so you can understand that, oh yeah, when I go to the doctor, I need to remind them that I have this bump on my knee, because the day afterwards my neck might really hurt. So when you go to the doctor, you say my neck hurts, but you have to also remember that you had this bump on your knee, because 2 weeks from now, when your neck pain's gone, the bump on your knee may rear its ugly head and show that you have a more serious injury. Something might be torn, for example, in your knee. That happens in cases that we handle really all the time. It's a learning experience that I have from 20 years ago. We had a situation very similar to that, where someone had a neck injury. They had a lot of pain in the neck, and the meds that they were given, the medication they were given, the painkillers, suppressed the pain not only in their neck but everywhere else. And then a few weeks later, when the neck pain was gone, the knee pain persisted, and there was an MRI, and it showed that there was a torn meniscus. Well, that's a problem that if you didn't tell the doctor about that, there would be no record of this pain, because it wasn't really there initially afterwards, because it was masked by the medication. So that was a long answer, I apologize, but hopefully that kind of answers your question. If you're not having pain right after a crash, it's not surprising. Please call an attorney. We can help you out and make sure that we give you the tools that you need to really advocate for yourself, or you can let us advocate for you to make sure that you receive the compensation that you should get.